Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just to recap from earlier this week, from the 7th of Jan, I did a video about this Pallmall. So we're just about halfway through the restoration at the moment, and we're trying out shave testing Monday and Tuesday. Quite pleased with this restoration up to now. It was quite grubby when I first got my hands on it. So I haven't refurbished the box yet, but just to open it up, the actual razor itself, just put this down, the head inside there was all black in here, it was now silver. That was all gunged up around this pivot here. Now it's nice and bright. The handle, if you remember, this pivoting handle was all black along here, with dirt and grime, and now it's all like new again. I'm in the middle of restoring all the blades. This is Monday's blade, which will be loading in a minute, Tuesday's blade, and then over the weekend I'll do the rest of them. But as you can see from here, this blade carrier, cage, whatever you want to call it, it was all black, and now I've cleaned it up using basically bicarbonate of soda, lemon juice, boiling water, and then to get in between all the bits, all those grooves, just use the wife's toothbrush with a bit of baking soda in between the bristles on the toothbrush, and then work your toothbrush in, then discreetly put it back in its place. So, goggles on. I need to see what I'm doing when I'm loading it up. So this is Monday's blade, it says on there. Let's have a look. Monday, you can see it just there. So basically these two lugs here, there and there, you just slot your blade into there. Like so. Hold it in place, and then this lever here, you just push it down, and the whole thing just slots into place, like that, dead easy, dead solid. And this will move so you can get different angles on your face, but I'll just keep it at horizontal for now. I can always alter it as I'm going along. So these are shave ready. All the blades will be shave ready. You just use it like a normal razor, there's no difference. and these actually turn. I don't know if you can see that. Come out of the shot. You can see the wheel turning. So it glides across your skin. And that's taken a 5-day beard off. It's quite, it feels a little bit on the aggressive side, shall we say. So I'll try and alter it at a slightly different angle. Let's try about there. Well, I must say it's a brilliant shaver. These blades are a wedge design, quite old fashioned really. But then again the would be, dates back to 1920s I think. I'll just go against the grain a little bit on here. So this razor will probably be going in my Etsy shop next week. As I mentioned in the earlier video, unfortunately with this, the strap is not in with the kits, and Sunday's blade is missing as well. However, there's an auction in England tomorrow morning, and there's a possibility of getting some spares in this auction. So anyway, just going back, I'm going to load up Tuesdays now. So to unload it, this spring lever here, you just push it back and lift it out. Simple as that. Slot in Tuesdays, he says. Tuesdays in this getting. It's best if you grab the thing by the edges of the blade, but having fingers like sausages doesn't help. So you got it in position there, and slide the lever back, and it's not behaving. Just excuse me a minute. There, it's in now. Just quite easily, I'm just being fiddly. Just check that it's solid. I'll put it back into the right angle. I think I prefer it that way. Right, so this is Tuesday's blade. Yeah. Again, it's quite aggressive. But there's no tugging. The blade is actually quite sharp. And it's quite forgiving. You can be actually quite clumsy with it. Quite a weighty blade as well, so it makes short work. Makes short work of your beard. Okay, so that's the shave test for the Pallmall over with for Monday and Tuesday. I'll do the other blades over the weekend and do probably another 2 videos, and then I'll be going in the shop. Okay, thanks very much for the watching, and have a good weekend. Bye for now.